very good morning to you and thanks for joining us on Business News on CRBC TV. I am Eriti Christopher. Making up today's headlines, federal government eyes 21% gross domestic product boost with e-governance bill. Diaspora inflows hit $600 million monthly, and market capitalization slips to 88.9 trillion naira amid bearish run. Details of this in just a moment. Please stay. It feels good to have you join us. The federal government has said that Nigeria's gross domestic product could receive a major boost from the digital economy, with contributions projected to rise to 21% by 2030 if the proposed National Digital and E-Governance Bill is passed into law. Report says the bill has a defining steps towards shaping a resilient and inclusive digital economy. This gathering provides a unique opportunity to deliberate on the provisions of the bill, validate its framework, and agree on the shared path towards its successful implementation. However, the digital economy already made significant contributions to growth, adding 7 trillion naira to real GDP in the first quarter of 2025, representing 14.19% of total GDP. The sector contributes between 16 and 18%, with strategies in place to increase this to 21% by 2030. Moving on, Nigeria's diaspora remittance has surged by 200% to $600 million in the past 2 months, with projections to hit at least $1 billion by next year. Report says the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Mr. Olayemi Kadoso, said that Nigeria's foreign exchange profile is witnessing a major boost. Consequently, the rising diaspora flows are diversifying Nigeria's foreign exchange portfolio and reducing overdependence on oil revenues. On our next report, the Nigerian exchange has closed negative yesterday as bearish trading sentiments wiped off 438 billion naira from investors' wealth, dragging the equities market capitalization to 88.9 trillion naira at the end of the day's transaction. The all share index shed 691.52 points to close at 140,557.27 points, compared with 141,248.76 points recorded in the previous session. This turndown trimmed the exchange week-to-date gain to 0.16% and month-to-date return to 0.5%, though the year-to-date growth remains strong at the 36.56%. Market turnover also showed heightened activity as investors exchanged 884.96 million shares valued at 28.25 billion naira in 26,129 deals. This represents a 30% improvement in volume and a 27% rise in value, even though the number of deals declined 9% when compared with Wednesday's trading session. A total of 129 equities participated in trading, with 19 gaining and 39 losing. Consequently, in the trading session on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the market lost 324 billion naira as the benchmark all-share index shed 512.60 points, representing a 0.36% decline to close at 141,000. 248.76. This brought the year-to-date gain to 37.23%, despite the reversal in the day's trading. And on the official foreign exchange, the Naira has exchanged at the value of 1,537.07 to the US dollar, while depreciating marginally to 1,781.93 to the euro and 2,066.75 Naira to the British pound. It, however, depreciated to 10.38 Naira to the Japanese yen, gaining marginally to close at 1,909.17 Naira to the Swiss franc and 86.48 Naira to the South African rand. And that's the much we can take in today's business news. Thanks for being there. I am Eriti Christopher.